One, Dr. Kwadwo Nkansah Mr. President, we see Empire, the chairman, a country called Canada, Mr. President, Director, Great Minds International School. You're welcome, sir.
Hello. Hello. Bepacho. Because Samuel. School Benin for Yana Masada Pese. On my woman, I say me. Can be a trouble for young baby. What's your man's mom goes to? I want to keep my man like a man can be cheap. Who ain't coming? Now say, Eddie, I think Pacho, anybody came. You're thinking the baby, we have a charmer. It's one yes, and I want to be now with your dark hat and years for you. Okay. We are Royal Annes, Nanano, distinguished guest, Director of Education, esteemed community leaders, members of my school management and PTA committee, esteemed parents and guardians, my beloved students, ladies and gentlemen. Now we can endorse. May I leave to endorse? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. I am very thankful to stand before you today on this special annual speech and prize giving and graduation day. This day is important for us all at Great Minds International School. As many of you know, I was recently involved in accident at Amapo, just before the premiere of my long-awaited movie, A Country Called Ghana. Sadly, a young boy lost his life in the accident. I want to use this opportunity to express my deepest sympathy to his family. Given the intensity of the crash, it is a miracle that I am alive today. I am also grateful that my crew members and the boys' father, who were in jail, who were in jail, have now fully recovered. Your support, strength, and prayers have been very helpful throughout these hard times. Despite these difficult times, I am dedicated to the future of Great Minds International School. We aim to provide the best education for our students, preparing them not just for exams, but for life. During our anniversary that was held last 2 years, I assure you to introducing international curriculum which will allow our students to travel abroad for exchange programs to learn from different culture and experiences. I am glad to inform you that my wife and I work seriously to gain a contract in the UK last year. However, at the final stage of introducing it, we expressed an accident which caused the delay. This accident not only has affected the introductions of the international curriculum, but also slowed down the Great Minds Annex building, which was planning to be open this year. Despite all those challenges, we have come here to celebrate this success of our students. So let's join as I congratulate all our students, most important my entire batch, upon their successful completion of the BEC, and hope to introduce the international curriculum and complete our annex building in the remote future. Let's keep working together to make our school a place of excellence and positive change. Thank you, and let's all work hard to make education a powerful force for good. Thank you very much. God bless you all. I'm done.
It is finished. As it was said on the cross, it is finished. It is finished. Thank you very much, the media team. Thank you so much. That was a speech, a simple and amazing one from the president, director.